Hello, this is Peter, Man King Homestead. It's Monday, it's in the low 70s, and it's raining. Another very nasty day. Going between a hard rain and light showers. It hasn't quit all day. But right now it's just misting, so I said I'd take advantage and get outside a little bit. I've been checking the radar, and I hope we get a break long enough so I can make it to the post office. If I make it to the post office and it's not raining too bad when I get back, then I'll let you know what I got at the post office. Otherwise, I may have to wait until tomorrow. Or maybe Wednesday, because tomorrow is supposed to be nasty also. And then we're supposed to have a few good days. I hope so. I'm ready for it. If anyone needs any rain, come and get it. You're more than welcome to it. Earl, I didn't get you on film crowing yesterday. You gonna say hello to everyone in YouTube land? Earl, are you gonna say hello? Hey, Buffy. Hello, Rosie. Hello, Lucy. Are you laying me an egg? Alice thinks it's so funny to get out, but then she just mopes around because she wants to be in with the other chickens. Eventually I'll be able to get her back in, but she has to get over by the run and be ready to go back in. I made it to the post office and 3/4 of the way back without getting wet. Now let's just say the last quarter of the way, I got a shower also. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. YouTube playing games with my subscribers. I gained some subscribers over the weekend, and then between the time I went to bed last night and when I got up this morning, I had lost 14 subscribers. That's just about the number I gained over the weekend. It looks like my new subscribers are still on there, but apparently YouTube took off some of my older subscribers. I also noticed yesterday that I wasn't subscribed to a channel that I'd been subscribed to for a while. I saw in there that I wasn't subscribed to that channel. I was thinking, I'm sure I'm subscribed to this, but I clicked on it just to be sure I had the right channel. And sure enough, I remember subscribing to that channel and I'd watched several videos. But they unsubscribed me from that channel. I hear there's been a lot of that going on. So, if you get unsubscribed, please subscribe again. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. And please like my video. And please continue watching. That'll do it for now. Have a good one, everyone.